Let's see the quick demo of inventory management system which I just built from AI agent using that Qwen235 billion parameters, which is newly introduced in the Qwen3 model. And you can see over here everything actually just build from this BS code along with this this new model which is completely free, which I'll show you. Okay, and here we have that inventory management system, and also there is a sales management system like sales dashboard, and also we have that ability to sales, right? And even in the inventory also I can able to add a new items, and also able to delete. I can just delete it, I can add it, I can add it also. So let me add a new item and that we want to sell it. Okay, so yeah, let me add ice cream over here. And what is the ice cream description? You can just ice cream over there. And yeah, category also you can choose whatever the category, customer, whatever customer you can hit it. And that price would be 200 per ice cream, and cost whatever cost actually you can refer over here. And yeah, minimum stock level would be this here, but yeah, I'll just take it 30. And yeah, if you want you can give that image. Yeah, let me just search for one image. Okay, now see, there is a my ice cream image, so I'll just simply copy the image link, right? And I can just simply paste it over here. And yeah, it is pretty much good. Let me add items. Okay, now see that image got uploaded over here, means that image actually refer for that net directly, even whatever new item I just created. And also see it is low stock, right? So yeah, whatever quantity we have 30 quantity per image. And we want to actually, if I want to add it, so I can add it. Even I want to delete, so I can delete. So let me try to edit something. ice cream ice cream with the like for example sweet ice cream, right? Or nice ice cream something, right? And just update. Yeah, it's got updated. Even that image also will be loaded. It takes some time, but yeah, that is fine. And yeah, also if I want to search over here whatever nice ice cream, right? So yeah, just search whatever ice cream actually that items, it will be available over here. And if I want to sales, go to the sales dashboard, whatever sales count as of now, sales count 1, by default is 1, right? And also is low stock item. See the low stock item, it's appearing over here in the sales like 30s, right? So let me try to add a new sales over here. So customer something kkp, and if I search over here, now see there is item actually where I can sales it over here also using the search item. So for example, if I want to ice cream, now see I'm able to see that ice cream along with this image and all. So select this ice cream. Also if I sell something, there is a 30 quantity, right? So if I want to sales 20 quantity, so automatically got changed the amount. Even I want to add a more item, so yeah, see as previously one, it will be removed, right? A new item will be appearing over here. So what I can do, I can just another item we have, so search for another one. Is a desk chair, so let me search the desk chair. And also quantity would be something 20, right? Or 5, I guess that is fine. Okay, and yeah, that whatever things you just add it over here. And then finally what I can do, uh yeah, I can just whatever that cash credit and all, so you can use it. As of now only cash pressure is available over here. Complete that, complete sales, save it. And yeah, it is done. Now go back to the sales item. Now see it is just decrease whatever item I just sold it, right? So it is just decrease also over here. Even revenue got created, and also average order is over there. And if you go to that inventory item, now see if I just change that item, right? That I sold it like 10 items, so it is decrease. Even same things, it is sold it and it will decrease it over here, right? So this is nice actually, the application which I just built from this AI. Yeah, I think that we will build over here. So before build our this application without writing any code and all, right? So yeah, moving to that implementation. So before that, especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, which is .NET real world example, you can just refer this session where I just show it to you over here how I can use it in BS code, right? Using this new model Qwen3, which is 235 billion parameter. And also it is just using for React, right? But now we are moving to that another technology, which is a Angular, because that is a little complex technology which have required many configuration and all, right? So also this model is ability to complete and build this application using uh, any different technology. So yeah, let's moving to implementation for further due. So first let me create a new application in Angular, just default applications, and then we will implement. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll just move into any particular folder, so whatever that location. So I'm just open our locations over here, and yeah, open as a terminal, and I'll just simply whatever that Angular requirement, so just use that Angular requirement, then simply you just create that ng and new, and then whatever that application name you want. So I just want to Q235 billion parameter, and then specify that Angular app. Okay, and simply hit enter. Yeah, do you want to this zone list? So yeah, no, as of now no. And CSS, yes, and also it's no. That's it. And now it's just starting to create your applications over here. So once you create application, I'll just open it in a VS Code. So once complete, now see it is successfully got created. If you want, you can run your application from here itself, like go to this particular directory, the folder directory, which is Q235, right? And this is Angular app, and then simply you can use this npm start. Once you npm start, your application got started. So this is a normal way you can run your applications. So yeah, see, it is nothing, just a default template, right? So now we have to moving to implement that inventory management system app, and yeah, using that new model, which is Qwen2-35 billion parameters, right? So let me close that, and let me open it as a VS Code. So first let me moving to that VS Code. So open a VS Code, open a new window, and here just open a folder, go to that particular directory we are actually just created. So I just created over here. So this is my application, and you see over here this is a complete folder structure and all, there's a nothing, right? So now to integrate in your Qwen2-35 billion parameter model, so what you can do, you just simply I already explained actually my previous session, so you can go to, but yeah, just go to that extension, install that root code, and once you just root code is available, so you can just use it over here, right? So I have already that. So here see, I am also available the root code, so just click on that root code. So now root code is available, and also if you see the settings, so once you click on the setting, now see it is just using that open route and also this API key, and where you can get that API key, it is just open route API key. So I already explained last time. So yeah, you can just go to this website, this open route API AI, and it is just completely free actually. They provide that free model. So just log in with your any Google account and just search for this model. So let me search for, like, for example, Q35 billion parameter, and now see this one is completely free, right? So use this model, and also just generate that go to that particular model. You can just create a key over here, and you can just use that key itself over here. That's it. Okay, and also just specify which model you're trying to use. So I'm using this model, and this is done. Okay, so once you're done, now you're good to go to the use or create your application on over here. Okay, so let me create this application, same application which I just created last time for that React app, right? So now we have to just create that one, and yeah, this is that same prompt which I am using. So also we'll compare, like, is it properly working for this all the technology or not. So that's why I just created this session. So build an inventory management system with this their sales, also use that modern web design and attractive look and feels, right? And also you can specify anything, so you can specify, but yeah, I'll just specify, yeah, use my current app which is in Angular, right? Yeah, I think that is also you can mention, so that will be help for this this model to, okay, where actually they want to integrate and all, right? And simply hit enter. Okay, So see, based on the prompt, they are just providing, couple of to-do list over here. Like they analyze the existing application, design, create inventory management system, and so on, so right. So this is completely fine for me. So what I'll do, I'll just simply click that approve, and let me create that application from to that raw code or this model, and we have to wait for now until this completion. So first step is completed, then analyzing one, then asking to approve. So let me give that approval. Okay, now see, finally they just complete couple of steps until this, tracking component and functionality, and these are steps is, is still remaining, but they are asking to just run this command. Okay, let's see what they want. So now see, they're just checking, like, okay, after in try to whatever these things they implement. Right now see, as of now they have implement many things like inventory form complete, inventory list, also sales form, and then dashboards, right, and also models, services, app.css files, everything. Actually they also just routing everything, just they'll add it. Okay, after that they just make sure, okay, this build also is working fine or not. So if there is any issue, so definitely they will taken care and all. And now finally I'll just get, after this build, they also just giving this command to run your application. So let me run this application also. Now make sure your all terminal is actually stopped, which is running in the 4200, right, and then proceed and open this. Now my application got running in the browser, and also see the inventory management system, and which have that inventory and sales and new sales, right. But yeah, there's just some lacking, I think, this design. Yeah, that we can fix it later, but yeah, let me see that first, functionality how actually working. Okay, so let me first check this, that add new item means which will add a new inventory item. So by default we have, this three item which have this image and all, right. And also we are able to delete. So yeah, I can just able to delete. Yeah, I'm able to delete. Even if I want to add, update something, so I can update something 2 to 3. And if I just update item, yes, now it's got updated. That means add and update, edit and delete is working fine. Let me try to add new item. So once you add a new item, now I'm able to see this new form of inventory, like inventory item. So let me add ice cream and something like, for example, L21235 description ice cream. And yes, category would be something, it is food, and supplier would be whatever the supplier they getting from here, right. So we can use something on Amul and all something. And price would be something 200. Cost, I think, 30, right. And quantity would be 30, right. Maximum stock level would be, 50. And yeah, you can mention the URL. If you mention the URL, definitely you will get that image. Okay, so add item. So once you add item, now see, new item got created over here. And also the quantity would be 30, low stock, right. And these are things automatically pre-built. Okay, so that means add is also working fine. But yeah, once you click the sales, now see, it is not navigating to sales, just because might be some issue, the sales is not properly navigate. But yeah, let me try to use the sales. So yeah, if I just try to sales route, so see, now I'm a sales route, and now we have the sales dashboard as well, right. And this is perfectly fine, the sales dashboard is working fine, but your navigation is not working, but components got created, right. And same things, if I want to create a new sales, so click on that. Now I am able to see that new sales item as well, right. And if I just trying to add a new sales, let me see it is working or not. So customer would be Kumar, right. And email something kumar@gmail.com. Then search item would be something laptop, or just ice cream, right. Yeah, I think there is a one issue. See, if I 20, yeah, so that search item should be populated over here. Then based on this actually they will calculate that item. So this is another just feature missing, but yeah, that's fine. But if you see that complete component got created and they create everything, right? And also see tax and all, everything they calculate itself, right? So those things actually we can fix it. But yeah, as of now, as we have tested, so over here let me go back to over here. So see, all that component got created automatically in Angular, and this is inventory management system, right? And inventory form, and also this is sales form and sales dashboard. And similar, they created some models over here. And yeah, there's a service also got created for inventory service over there. See, the inventory service got created, similar for sales service got created, and also corresponding CSS and all they just updated. And app.html also replaces over here, right? And also see the main part, actually I want to show you like how this model is powerful, why it's model to powerful. Because see, automatically got created this complete route, whatever that component get created, they created itself, also just prepare that route and same things, right? So this based on this route, actually if you see, go back to you know the registration, right? So in you see somewhere they are registered as well, right? So click on this app.config.ts file. See here actually they are registered as well, like provider, the route also they providing, right? And then provider zone and everything actually they just created over here. Even the configuration just got created. And if you go down this app.ts file, right? So in here, see, in this here they're just using the single whatever the single titles over here. So that is fine. And then if you go to that main.ts file, so everything actually see whatever they require, right? So based on this actually they are properly configured. We don't need to think about anything, like just as I just created new component, that component automatically got that registered all, right? So is that is why actually it is powerful, right? Because other technology, like if you talked about React or simple HTML and all, right? So there is a pretty much simple and straightforward, like simple create component and call it component. But that Angular actually have that different mechanism. So that's why I just tested like this powerful model, like this Qwen3-235 billion parameter. Is it ability to create or fix that model or not? Okay, so yeah, I think that pretty much good. So let me try to that fix those uncompleted features, like observe, like okay, first one issue is like, see, this is that design issue, right? So that design issue I think we can simply quick fix. If you go back to over here, or you can just ask to actually it can fix it. But yeah, I'll show you actually a little bit over here. Yeah, where is my app.html? Yeah, in this app.html, see that already we have that main content, we have that route outlet, right? But yeah, it actually by default might be they are missing to remove that. So yeah, simply if you can just remove, and if you go back to over here, now see, if you go to that over here, see now design is good, right? Whatever our design. So this is the nav menu bar, and this is our main contents over there, right? So yeah, I think that is fine. Now let me fix that features, like as of now navigation is not working, right? So that we can ask, okay, now see, I'm just giving that one prompt, like in my current application actually nav menu bar functionality is not working. When I click any nav menu, it is not navigated particular component, and right. So simply I just giving that this prompt and hit enter and wait to fix that issues. Okay, now see, they are just giving, they actually modify this file, like this app.ts file, and they just additionally import this route modules and all, right? And route outlet as well. And yeah, finally they're asking to, okay, run this application. So yeah, let me try to run this application. Okay, and now open this in a browser and close that. And yeah, it is currently inventory, and once you click the sales, now see, currently is working expected in the sales. And if you just click the new sales, also new sales is properly in navigate this particular things. So yeah, that means it is perfectly working fine, right? And even its search also, let me try to, yeah, the search also is working, except that that last function, I think that add a new sales, right? So click on the new sales, and in here search product. So if I just try to laptop, yeah, the laptop, like whatever that items actually not populating, that we can ask, actually we can fix it. So let me go back to that quick fixes for that, so that we can ensure okay that is also is working, that also actually ability to fix that. So thanks, it is okay. Now see, I'm just giving another prompt like okay, thank you, now it's working as expected. But now in a sales but in the sales new sales, when try to search inventory item, it's not populating to sales. So please fix this issue, so that user can select that inventory item and sell it properly. Okay, let me hit enter. Okay, now see, as that agent actually whatever that given the task, see they asking okay, now they analyze complete model and all and everything just completed, and whatever tasks actually they completed, okay, they are completing this all that features, right? And now it is fixed, right? So let me try to actually first let me check like how is actually working. So go back to your application, and yeah, let me refresh this. Hopefully it's work without restart and all. So yeah, once you click that new sales, and if I search something, for example laptop, now see, once I try to laptop, it is laptop available. If there is another things, I guess, what is that another point, another things, okay, desk chair and also monitor, right? So go back to again, so check that monitor, yeah, it's perfectly. And yeah, what is another one, it's a desk chair, right? Yeah, it is desk chair also available. So let me add one sales over here, for example laptop, the laptop. And yeah, see, once you select the laptop, one whatever the quantity is appearing, and if I just sales, for example 6 item, automatically got calculated. If I want to new items also, I can able to new item. So let me add customer name, for example Kumar, email something Kumar at the gmail.com, right? And yeah, I just sell this item also is a cash, right? And yeah, let me just complete this sales, done it, yeah, it's done. Now if I go back to the sales item, now see, sales item got increase over here, right? And also this 2 item is sales over here, that is saying. And if you go back to over here, now see, I just sales item, I just, it is just decrease, right? And also it is a stock. So those are things also is in place. And yeah, let me add a new item and see what is that new item is properly sales. So for example, I will check that ice cream, and let me take that ice cream category would be foods, customer something customer, and it is price and item is 30, okay. And yeah, maximum stock is item 50, 30, add new item, yeah, new item is available, right? So quantity is 30. And if you go back to over here, so let me try to ice cream, yeah, ice cream is available, and yeah, available also. So let me, something is 30, right? To 20, let me 20. And yeah, let me another name, for example kkp, kkp, right? And yeah, let me try to sales it, go back to in the sales, yeah, it's got increase 3 sales over there, 3 count, also revenue generated. If you go back to inventory, now see, once it was previously to 30, right? So now it's decreased to 10, because whatever sales we are trying to do, it is just sales, and actually it is decrease also this inventory item, right? And also it's a low stock is 1, right? So this is completely fine, and whatever the actually achievement we want, it is just achieve it. That's why it's actually very powerful. So far my experience, actually I have tried many models, but yeah, this model actually meet my expectation for Angular, because previously I checked many model to create any application. This complete application is in an Angular and all, but yeah, Angular actually there has the different configuration and all, right? So that is not properly actually sync, or that is not working properly. So but in here, I'm fully satisfied this model, which is completely working with the whatever configuration be required. They are completely configured and running as a without any issues. Even if I can check this package, so I can see whatever that version I'm currently as use. So now see, also I'm just taking the latest 20 Angular 20 version, right? So also they are able to know, like, okay, whatever the latest version is Angular 20, they are understand and they can build that applications, right? So yeah, that's all. And yeah, thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.